Okay, kiddos, another day of story problems. So I made up a problem here. It says 130 kids will run in the fun run. We need 5 teams. How many kids should be on each team? Oops. Well, let's see. I know I'm going to have 5 teams and I have 130 kids. And I have to know how many kids on each team. Okay, so kind of like I did yesterday, I'm going to make my 5 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm not going to put in individual tally marks. That would take forever. So let's see. Well, I'm going to try 10 in each because I know 10 times 5 is 50. So let's start that. I know I can at least do 10. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Well, that's only 50, so I can double that. So then I'm going to have another 10 in each one. So that's like saying 20 in each one. So then it would be 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. Ooh, good. Now I still have to think about that 30. Let's see, I have 5 teams. Let's see, I know that 30 ends in a 0, so let's see how many 5s are in 30. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. There's 6. Well, let's try that. So let's go plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, plus 5, and plus 5. So now I have 25 in each one. Well, I know 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, that's 100. That's like 4 quarters. So that's 100 and another 25. So I'm at 125 and I have to get to 130. Well, now let's see. Can we do this? Plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So that was 125, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So now I have to figure out how many kids are in each group. Well, let's see. We have 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25, and 25 plus 1 is 26. So 26 kids is my answer. Go ahead and do the problems on the next slide.